Well, since 1977, Clark County has used 2 grand juries to bring charges to criminals, but that could soon change. Almost 40 years later, our population has grown from 389,000 to more than 2.1 million. And it's not just an increase in people. There's also been a spike in violent crime. Since 2011, murders are up 283%, rape up 154%, robberies up 51%. District Attorney Steve Wolfson is using those stats to make his case for adding a 3rd grand jury.
But how does he plan to make it happen? The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy sat down with him today to find out and joins us now with that plan. Vanessa.
Well, the district attorney says he has the green light from the court. Now he has to get the green light from the Clark County Commission and ask for funding. DA Steve Wolfson says that would be about $125,000 a year, but ultimately a 3rd grand jury would help save taxpayers money, while defense attorneys may argue that's at the cost of justice.
Every day we wake up and we hear about crimes of violence.
Leader, I'm Brian Loftus.
I'm Kirsten Joyce.
A shooting, a rape, a robbery.
He's accused of murdering his wife. Another man is dead after a drive-by shooting near downtown Las Vegas.
Even some of our felony DUI cases where we've got serious impaired drivers on the roadway.
The man was believed to be under the influence at the time of the crash.
I want to do something about it.
District Attorney Steve Wolfson is calling for a 3rd grand jury because of more residents and more violent crime in Clark County, which are leading to more criminal cases.
David B. Barker.
During a preliminary hearing, a judge decides whether there's probable cause to move a case forward. Same for a grand jury proceeding, but minus the defense.
It is a very efficient way to get a serious case up to the trial court quicker.
Is it fair? This isn't making a hamburger. This is, people's lives are at stake.
Dustin Marcello is a criminal defense attorney.
It's been widely said that, the phrases have been, you can indict a ham sandwich. Essentially, you could have completely uncontested evidence going in saying that you committed a crime without any ability to contest that evidence at all.
15F11.
Wolfson points to the numbers. For example, his gun crimes unit frequently turns to the grand jury. The result, he says, 85% convicted with significant sentences.
We are going to cause more dangerous people to suffer consequences. And I think that's what this community wants.
Wolfson says the grand jury is active in court 95% of the time, so it's not like anyone's waiting around for another case. The DA's office constantly has cases for the grand jury, but again, not everyone is a fan of this idea. And the next step, we'll see if the Clark County Commission gives Steve Wolfson, the district attorney, the okay.
All right, keep us posted.
Thanks.